Alright, we got a 2018 Benz CLA 250. We're going to be doing spark plugs. Pretty simple stuff. You got to take off a couple things, be delicate. Some of these hoses, because they're plastic and shit, they break pretty easy. So we'll get to the steps right now. Alright, we can start by loosening this hose clamp right here, and then this one right here. Don't pull them off yet. You know, anything you see here, like we're going to lift this guy up, get him out the way. We're going to try to take off the least amount of things we can. We can pop this sensor off right here. We're going to move this hose and pull it off. It's kind of a bitch to do. But if you get some like 90 degrees pliers right here, you can kind of clip it, and then now the hose is all loose. Be super careful because all these hoses are shitty and brittle and will break on you. Same thing with this one. This one, the plastic is already kind of broken, but you can just get a pick tool and pick both sides. You got one side there, one side there. There we go. There's this one too. Alright, kind of the same thing with this one as well. These fucking sensors are annoying as shit. There we go. It's all fucked up. And then these clips right here on this harness, you don't got to cut the zip ties, you can just lift these guys up. Lift one up here and then one here. These clamps are like a one-time use, and we're just going to replace them with a normal hose clamp. So let me set this up here. There we go. Also, real quick, I didn't get it on film, but you got this vacuum hose right here for this wastegate. Just go ahead and pull this guy off. It is a bitch to do. I kind of used like some wire strippers or wire cutters, and then just kind of went in between the hose, kind of pried it off. I used a little grease as well, put it around the end, and then pried it off. So. Last thing before taking this intake is we're going to pop this hose off right here. It's just from this corner right here. Let me try to pull it off here. Alright, for this hose, you got to be fearless. You just got to kind of wiggle it and pull that shit out. And it'll come out, a lot of oil in it. Now that's everything. Now we can really pull this intake out. Back here. Just myself. There we go. We'll start with one, and then we'll time lapse the rest. Start with this guy, T30. A little easier just to remove this clip. It's an E10. Alright, we're just using some laser iridium GK shitters. So it's a thin wall. It might be able to fit a normal 14 in there. I'm just using a thin wall 14 mil. Get it in there, pull these guys out. Here they are. Yeah, show them. Not bad. The ones on my by hand. Should go ahead and do that. Get it. Okay, I'm just gonna try to press back. Alright, no document, we're good. Things good. Please close that on. One nice first order. Alright, sure you push down nice and tight. Sure the connector's good, but bend that around. Don't forget to connect this sensor as well. Yeah, double check everything else is good, which I think it is. And yeah, we'll go ahead and give it a start. Alright, go take it on a nice test drive. Go make sure there's no toes, anything else like that. And then after that, you're all good. So thanks for watching. Peace.